All right, so today we've got a service call for an ice machine that's leaking water. It's going to be a Manitowoc on a hotel dispenser. So when I came in, I removed the cover and I found that this drain over here was restricted, so I cleared out that drain and now it's draining it. Wow, this is pretty filthy. So they had this little bucket sitting here because the water's leaking, so it's probably overflowing from here. So we'll let that drain, and then this dispenser here, when they go to get ice, it shoots out all the ice all over the floor. So let's see if there's I think there's like a part, like a chute or guide that's missing in there. So let's see if we can repair that, or I think it's this. It's not supposed to be sitting in there. So we'll have to figure out where this thing goes. Nope, can't go there. It's there. Problem fixed. I think what's happening also, it's water's leaking from here too. So I went ahead and fixed that. Another thing I noticed is that the ice is coming out super thin. This one looks, yeah, so it's coming out a little thin, so we're gonna have to adjust the thickness on this. I use a 9/32 bit just to run it back, and it was hitting it. So these, so we'll go ahead and adjust it, and then we'll run another test. Made the adjustment, waiting for the ice machine to start free cycle, and then we'll watch and time a cycle. And in the meantime, I've got my gauges hooked up because look how poorly this was installed. I mean, that's all the space they have back there, and then just cabinets all around. So essentially, it's just choking the unit up. So just want to check my pressures, but unfortunately I can't show the pressures because I check it with my phone, but I'll have an image of what the pressures are looking like with the way they've got this thing installed. So after checking the pressures, the beginning of the cycle, you're running our head pressure like around 320, 318, whereas our suction's okay, but this thing's running at a high head pressure. You can feel it, it's so hot. So nothing we can do but to let the customer know and let them know that it's going to be an issue. Maybe not now, but later down the road. That thing is just running so high. I'm getting ready to put this panel back on, and I noticed that when I put it, the tray wasn't sitting, that drain wasn't sitting flush with that opening. So this was installed incorrectly. It was installed this way, which again, it wasn't making contact, and all that ice that was going into the chute or into that grill over there wasn't going into the bucket. It was actually sitting there, causing it to melt and leak all over the floor. So what I did was I took it out and swapped it, or turned it around. However, when I plug in the hose and I push it back, this hose wants to come out, so I have to shorten this hose. Now I don't know why it wasn't like that originally. I'm not sure, but it was put incorrectly, so I have to fix that so we can stop this leak. Alright, so it's about to drop a batch, so let's see how much thicker it made the bridge. It's a little thicker, so I'll turn it back down a little bit, just ever so slightly, but it's looking better. Got the bucket, as you can see in there, in its correct position, secured. The ice will go into the bucket, whereas before it was just going down there and melting and causing a flood puddle over here. I did have to adjust the thickness slightly, so and it did make a batch. So again, it's a little thicker than I wanted, so I did adjust it to be a little bit thinner. But aside from that, I think we're done here. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like.